CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 1.4, Explain the value of data and information. Relationship of data to creating information. For this exam topic, we will need to distinguish between the definitions data, information, and insights. Data is raw values collected by a computer system. It is meaningless until placed in the correct context. For an example of this topic, I will start with the data value of 100. Without context, this 100 could be anything. Information is data that has been processed into a form that has meaning and is useful. Information provides us with context. Continuing with our example, the data value of 100 has been given the context of miles. Our last definition will be insight. An insight is a meaningful and deep understanding of something. When enough quality information is combined and analyzed, insights can be formed. Now back to our example one more time. 100 miles could be considered a very long distance if walking. Or 100 miles could be a very short trip for a plane. What pieces of information we associate together? In this case, 100 miles and a transportation method of walking or flying by plane will lead to different insights. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.